Home fans, we have no pressure.
So how's your expectation? How's your vibe coming to Goa's Patoda?
All good. This is not the first time we have been here when we first won the first trophy also. So it's a good ground for us, and I hope history repeats itself when we go through the finals.
So what will be your score prediction for today's match?
Probably 2-1 for Goa, but BFC goes through.
Thank you so much. Feeling of semi-finals in Goa.
It's been a long time and I've been a long supporter since like 10 years now. I've been watching each and every FCO game. And like every time they win semi-final and final, they always lose. But I've still had that hope that maybe this time we'll reach the final and finally win the ISL Cup for the first time.
So we have 2-0, like Bangalore has 2 goals lead.
Yeah.
So then when we come for the semi-finals, how you are expecting and how FC Goa should go about in the first half?
Well, in the first half, basically they should try to dominate and try to score like at least 1 or 2 goals, or basically 3 goals, because they need to work and get over the 2-0 because they are now losing. So basically 3-0 would help them reach the finals.
So you are such a die-hard fan of FC Goa. One advice would you like to give the players or the coach, like being such an old fan, what it will?
Always have a cool mind and do not be overconfident, because basically I feel like overconfidence has led them to lose big games, especially having a good season and winning each and every game and then finally losing in the end is actually very bad. So
Thank you so much. Expecting this semi-finals, like having an advantage of 2-0 and coming to FC Goa's home ground, what is your reaction? How Bangalore will perform here in Patoda?
2-0 is a good lead, but Goa is strong in Goa. They play very well. Last game we played better than them, so this time they will come back strong. So we have to really get a goal early. If we get that goal early, then probably they will have to come out and score, and then we can hit them on the counter. But yeah, I expect a good match because Bangalore's confidence is up after having won last game. Let's see. I hope we come out.
How was Bangalore's this season's performance?
A little up and down. We started very well, clean sheets, 5 straight games, and then we lost to Goa in Goa. That's when the kind of slide started for us. So in that sense, we went through an up and down kind of a thing. But
things can change.
Yeah. But now last 2 games we've been playing really well. So I hope it's hitting the peak at the right moment, hopefully.
Yeah. How is your reaction? How's your vibe and how's your expectation from Bangalore?
As always, we call ourselves mentality monsters. We perform well in the big matches. We have some big game players in Chetri and Ryan and all those guys. So cautious but exciting.
How's the ambience when you come to this opponent's home ground? So as a away team fans, how is the pressure as a fan y'all maintain when y'all come?
I mean, it's up to the home fans to, they call it the fortress. It's up to them. The pressure's on them. We have a handy lead, but we are very cautious, not over optimistic. But we have a team that we trust. We have a coach we trust. I think we should do it. And
FC Goa.
तर किती एक्सपेक्टेशन किती आसा सो एनीवेज 2-0 हांकां बँगलोराक आसा हे आतां सेमीफायनल
Semi-final 3-0. Goa will win for 3-0.
हाऊज
My wish. Sorry.
वायब कसो आसा सेमीफायनलाचो
बरा.
आनी कितें आयजच्या मॅचाचो कितलो तर 3-0 म्हणलें
हय 3-0 जावपाकूच जाय आनी आमकां फायनल कप हे फाटी हाडूंकूच जाय FC Goa. Okay, all the best FC Goa.
Yes.
I can't predict because it is a tough match. So yeah, it depends but I will predict that Goa will get a 2-0 lead and it will go into penalty.
So how was the performance of FC Goa this season?
This season was a little good, not a very that bad. Yeah, it was good.
So which is your favorite player?
From FC Goa?
Yes.
Oh, it's Sadiku.
So what is your prediction? Sadiko will goal. How many goals this semi-finals?
Yeah, in this match.
Yeah, this match.
Oh, he will score. I think he'll score 1 goal and 1 assist.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Expectation from today's match.
3-0.
And you?
I hope Goa can win. I'm not too confident, but I hope they win today.
So how was FC Goa's this season's performance?
It was very good, but obviously they always find it difficult in the playoffs. So hopefully today we can get the result we want.
So what is your prediction for today's this thing?
I think it will be a draw, but I hope they prove me wrong.
Okay, thank you. Yours?
I think it will be 2-1 for FC Goa.
Okay.
Thank you.
So how was your expectation of FC Goa's this year's season performance?
They played very good, but they always lose it in the semis.
So your expectation about semi-finals?
But I think they are winning it today. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me how's the feeling of coming for the semi-finals?
You don't know. We are expecting a lot because it's been so many years that we are waiting for the cup, and surely this time we will do it. We know we are back by 2, but this time I'm damn sure that we will lift the cup this year. It's a long wait, and surely we will do it this year. I know it's been 2-0 in Bangalore, but today we will give them a big blow by 3-0 at least. I know it's going to be 2-0 again in the 90 minutes, but we will definitely go to the extra time and we will give another one and we will be surely getting 3. And I know it's going to be for Goa this time.
So how was FC Goa's full performance this season?
There was lot many things were going on in the entire league. We were supposed to be the top, but because of few mistakes of the players, it was very difficult for us to come back in the game, and we did not be at the top of the league. But surely, as I said, 100% we are going to be the best. And today, the vibes you're gonna see everywhere is for Goa.
Uso! 3, 2, 1, yeah.
Goa.
So you tell me how's the vibe of semi-finals in the home ground of FC Goa?
Yeah, it's always exciting, but the most important thing, it's going to be a very challenging game. We are down by 2-0. It's going to be a tough chase, but we'll try our level best to do it.
So how was your feeling when when the match was in Bangalore and 2-0? What was your reaction?
We were expecting it would be a tie of 1-0, but 2-0 was a huge margin according to me, because the aggregate 2-0 we are down. But the home crowd, we are expecting a good crowd over here, and we are very confident of winning this game by 3.
So you feel that home ground will give a advantage for the?
Yes, definitely. Home ground is a big advantage. As you could see in Bangalore, there was a home ground advantage for BFC, so they won by 2-0.
So what will be your score?
I probably, to be frank, it's going to be 2-0. According to me, it's going to be 2-0, and we are going to win it in tiebreakers.
So you're expecting a penalty?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What's the goal?